I'm Anca Rujoiu, and I'm a co-curator of the second edition of Diriyah Contemporary Art Biennale. I'm working on Biennale Encounters program and several commissions. Biennale Encounters is a year-long event series. I think what is special about Biennale Encounters is that it introduced early on biennial artists to the local community here. Many of the works speak to the context. They are very much the result of the interactions between artists and the community here. So part of the research of the artists have been several field trips that took place in Saudi Arabia and different parts of Saudi Arabia, but also here in Diriyah and Riyadh. So I really had the privilege to join the artists in different field trips. All of these trips contributed to the artworks. I'm very excited because I think they will be very meaningful and there will be an opportunity to look at Saudi Arabia through the artist's eyes.